What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and so here we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. This thing is not being left alone by analysts. We got another downgrade today, and that is definitely creating the sell-off pressure. And the sell-off is not even happening during the regular market hours. These hedge funds are selling off in the pre-market. So let's talk about the price action in this video. I'll take you over the options data as well, how things are looking like. Um, so there is in the options data actually, and I'll show you as we talk through it. But seems like the puts where they were really high, they have been today. Well, at least they're in the money now. But let's see what the data is telling us, because Tesla, as it is right now at $148, this trend at one of the trend line that I had from my video yesterday. I talked about it. If we continue to fall, this is where we'll come down to, and that's where we, at least for now, today had the bottom at $148 almost, right? So now in this video, we'll take a look at the price action, what to look for if you want to be bullish, but to become bullish, what are those confirmation areas even we have to go, or is it going to continue lower, right? And where is the stop to it, right? Guys, at this point, it's all about earnings, okay? It's earnings, and earnings will either make it or bring it back or break it more. That's what it comes down to, and that is earnings. All what it comes down to is the earnings, guys. So let's start this video off by letting you know none of this is any financial advice, just as only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So let's start off with this. Tesla stock falls after analyst downgrade, and we have a price drop to 125 by one of the analysts from almost $180, but they're coming one after the other, guys. So that's a problem, right? They're not stopping. They are not stopping. So we are at the moment finding the bottom at this trend line, right? Are we bullish? Guys, no, there is no structure of bullishness. We are bearish since the time, and I talked about it, that this pivot, as it was lost back there on the hourly interval, right? We have changed the structure, and right now I'm not seeing any structure to the upside. We are still in the downtrend. If you ask me, Junior Trader, is today the bottom? No, guys, it's not the bottom today. We are still falling. Bottom is formed out of consolidations and some structure. Right now there is no structure to it. It's like a direction to the downside right now, unfortunately. So let's actually go first to the options data today, guys. So let's talk about that. Let's get out of the way. So the green are the calls. Now this is the chart from yesterday. I was, having data day by day over there, but the chart was getting too convoluted, and so, can congested, that I had to put today's data on a different chart, guys. So you can see the calls at 170 and above, they are still quite high over here, right? And where were we? Even on the previous days, we had high calls at 170 and above. You can see the density up here. And we were having puts increase slowly and slowly. Now you can see that $150 call puts from yesterday as well. We have a good spike on this, 47,000 today. And yesterday they were a little bit lower, 42, but then talk about 155 and 160. 160 are lower because these are being closed, or well, because they are already in the money, right? So but it's strange to see that how calls data is still printing high up. Look at the puts down here. And this is what I want to tell you, that besides just this $150 puts options, there is nothing more high puts I'm seeing down there. Yes, we have a spike at 145, but to me, these more like they are not coming in as right away in advance. They are like more getting worked upon day by day. Like calls are sitting there for already some time ahead of time, which means people were planning that Tesla will go up, this week, and they are still sitting high up the calls here. So That's interesting to see. So unfortunately, all these calls are being cooked right now, guys, brutally. Like if I show you the data here on Yahoo Finance, look at how like calls are just being cooked. Look at it. 100% losses going on calls. That's what it is, guys. So all right, so let's get to the technicals now. The options data is just for the sentiment, but let's talk about technicals. So guys, we are in the downtrend. This is, we are still in this structure. As we broke 160, we have made another leg lower. Now right now I said that okay, this is the trend line you are watching, but there is no guarantee that this trend line is going to hold, because this is a bigger channel that I would more likely follow through, the one at the bottom here. We do have a room to continue to fall, but let's see what are those levels to watch, and if any support on this trend line, if it may happen, then what are the things you are looking for. So let's talk about the bullish scenario. Now, if at this point, guys, you want to be bullish on Tesla, then at least for intraday, let's talk about that. If we are talking intraday being bullish on Tesla, you would want to see it get above $152 first and 40 cents. Okay, if Tesla can get above this, it can become intraday at least bullish. Now you ask me, but junior trader, what about for a couple of days if we want to stay bullish? Well, for that, Tesla needs to close the day above at least this area of 155. If Tesla can close tomorrow, Friday, above 155, there is a chance we can talk about, okay, next week Tesla may zigzag and may go up, but it's not going to be directly changing the structure to go up. If next week we want to become fully bullish, Tesla needs to recapture and go above $160. Now, this brings me to the point that we have earnings Tuesday next week. That is the defining factor on Tesla, guys, put it simply, period. Earnings will, so this is the thing. Earnings will either break Tesla down to these areas of the bottom channel of the trend line. It's going to gap, I think, much lower if earnings are not really liked by investor or Wall Street. And you can see it's already filling these gaps. But the next significant level is here at $102. Not saying it's going to go to $102 right away, but that's the direction it is in. Now, if earnings are good, let's just assume, I know there's a lot of negative sentiment on the Wall Street, but let's say if Wall Street loves earnings, Elon Musk says something that, oh, we are doing this, right? So if Tesla can gap up above $160 and 163, then for sure we can maybe, yes, we will change the structure if we get above $160, but until we are not getting above 160 by the earnings or after earnings, Tesla is not bullish. It is still bearish, and then we will still have to wait and see where's the consolidation or the patterns forming on the structure for certain type of bullishness. Right now, I'm not seeing any bullishness. Tomorrow, if Tesla rejects at 152 and 40 cents and continue lower, this can make another leg lower. Nothing is stopping it from doing that. Right now, yes, this trend line is one of the areas as we are holding, but for intraday long, you want to see it above 152 and 40 cents, okay? Cool, good stuff, guys. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It's simple on Tesla, nothing complicated. I also want to just show you QQQ and SPY, and you already know that I have been saying I'll be doing another video. So in this video, I'm just going to go very high level. I said that we are going to keep falling, and we are falling. Look at it, 421, and I think we will be meeting 200 days moving average. I won't be surprised. Then SPY, yep, we are falling, and I think we have a room to continue to fall to 477.93 cents. So I'll talk about it when I do tech stocks videos. Okay, well, that's all for this video, guys, for Tesla. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. All right, guys, I'll see you in my other videos. Take care. Bye.